Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Ultimate Showdown, we're pitting two titans of the premium business laptop world against each other, the HP EliteBook X G1a and the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13. Which one reigns supreme in 2025? Stick around until the very end before you make your purchase decision. By then, the winner will be clear. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals, and a like would truly help me out. Let's dive in. The HP EliteBook X G1a and the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 Aura Edition both embrace a premium aesthetic, though with subtle differences in their design language. The EliteBook X G1a leans into a classic business style with its silver aluminum chassis, softly rounded corners, and beveled edges, conveying an understated yet undeniably premium feel. In contrast, the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 retains Lenovo's iconic carbon fiber finish, which not only contributes to its remarkably light 2.17-pound weight, but also offers a sleek and robust texture. Both laptops feel sturdy in hand, with the EliteBook X G1a at 3.3 lbs and 0.72 inches thick, and the ThinkPad showcasing impressive rigidity despite its slimmer profile and lighter build, having passed MIL STD 810H tests for durability. When it comes to ports, both laptops offer a modern selection catering to various connectivity needs. The EliteBook provides two full-featured Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, a separate USB-C port, a 10 gigabits per second USB-A port, and an HDMI 2.1 port. This split of USB-C ports across both sides aims for optimal docking flexibility. The ThinkPad also features two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, but it includes two USB-A ports, an HDMI 2.0 port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. While neither includes an SD card slot, the ThinkPad offers an optional nano SIM slot for mobile broadband. Both prioritize modern USB-C while ensuring some legacy USB-A support, reflecting their focus on professional use. When comparing the visual experience, both the HP and the Lenovo boast impressive displays. The EliteBook features a 14-inch OLED multi-touch screen with a sharp 2880 by 1800 resolution and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Its OLED panel is noted for delivering deep blacks and vivid colors, making it excellent for both productivity and media consumption, although its glossy finish can be challenging in bright environments. Similarly, the ThinkPad also sports a stunning 14-inch OLED display with the same 2880 by 1800 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This OLED panel also provides deep blacks and vibrant colors enhanced by HDR500 support, contributing to exceptional clarity and contrast. Both displays share a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, offering more vertical screen real estate for enhanced productivity. In terms of their integrated cameras, the EliteBook comes equipped with a 1440p webcam operating at 30 FPS, which includes an IR 3D sensor for Windows Hello and a physical privacy shutter. This webcam is praised for its crisp and sharp video quality with accurate color reproduction, making it well-suited for video conferencing. The ThinkPad features a 1080p webcam that also delivers clear and colorful images. It benefits from AI-powered features like auto-framing and background blur through Intel's Studio Effects, enhancing the user's appearance during virtual meetings. Both laptops prioritize privacy with physical shutters on their webcams. The typing and navigation experiences differ between the two. The EliteBook offers a spacious keyboard layout with notably large keycaps and generous key travel, providing crisp and satisfying tactile feedback, often considered one of the best in its 14-inch category. Its trackpad, while responsive, unremarkable in terms of surface feel and click, though it does feature physically separated left and right click zones. The ThinkPad X1 continues Lenovo's tradition of excellent keyboards, offering a well-spaced layout with full-size keys, including dedicated navigation keys. The typing feel is snappy, though perhaps slightly less tactile than thicker ThinkPads. A key feature of the ThinkPad is the inclusion of both a traditional touchpad and the iconic trackpoint with dedicated buttons, offering users multiple control options. Battery life presents a more significant contrast. The EliteBook, with its 74.5 watt-hour battery, achieved around 11 hours in a 4K video loop test, but real-world usage with mixed tasks is expected to yield between 4 to 6 hours before needing a recharge. In stark comparison, the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 demonstrates exceptional endurance, achieving nearly 20 hours in a 720p video playback test. This substantial difference suggests that the ThinkPad is likely to offer significantly longer battery life under typical usage scenarios, making it a more appealing option for users who prioritize all-day portability without frequent charging. Delving into their processing capabilities, the HP EliteBook X is powered by an AMD Ryzen AI 9HX 375 processor, featuring 12 cores and 24 threads, along with an integrated Radeon 890M GPU, boasting 16 cores. This setup allows the EliteBook to shine in multi-threaded workloads, often outperforming rivals equipped with Intel Core Ultra processors. It also includes a dedicated neural processing unit with up to 55 TOPS for accelerating AI-driven tasks. In contrast, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 is equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 7 258V processor from the Lunar Lake family. While the specific core and thread count isn't detailed, this processor is paired with integrated Intel Arc Graphics 140Vi and also features a neural processor to enhance AI-related functionalities. When it comes to editing performance, the EliteBook, with its potent Ryzen processor and capable integrated Radeon graphics, smoothly handles light photo editing and 1080p video scrubbing. It's also noted as solid for basic 3D renders and CAD work. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon, while proficient in everyday tasks and multitasking, capable for light photo and video editing, but not a powerhouse for professional-grade content creation. Its integrated Intel Arc graphics are suitable for basic graphic applications and media editing, but not on par with laptops featuring dedicated GPUs for more demanding tasks like video editing or 3D rendering. Regarding gaming, the EliteBook's integrated Radeon 890M graphics allow for casual gaming, running older or less demanding titles at medium settings, with expected frame rates of 40 to 60 FPS for esports titles at 1080p. More modern AAA games would require significantly lowered settings. The ThinkPad, with its integrated Intel Arc graphics, is also capable of handling casual gaming and video streaming without issues. However, it is explicitly stated that it is not designed for high-end gaming, and for serious gaming pursuits, the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 would not be the ideal choice. Alright folks, after diving deep into both the HP EliteBook X G1a and the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13, the winner for most users in 2025 is the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13. Its exceptional battery life, incredibly lightweight design, and well-rounded performance edge it out. However, the EliteBook's stronger CPU for multi-threaded tasks might sway specific power users. Choose wisely based on your priorities.